In this lesson, we introduce the future tense with going to. First, here's an example of a future tense statement with going to. My friends are going to see a movie. We use the words going to right before the main verb or verbs of the sentence. As well, we also use a be verb right before the words going to. Here are the be verbs that we use in English. Also, we usually add a future time to the sentence.
My friends are gonna see a movie tomorrow.
My friends are going to see a movie tomorrow. But, listen again to the real-world example.
My friends are gonna see a movie tomorrow. My friends are gonna see a movie tomorrow.
Can you hear the difference in pronunciation? When we write about the future, using going to, we always write the full, complete words, going to. In spoken English, however, we usually pronounce the words going to as gonna.
My friends are gonna see a movie tomorrow.
Making a yes, no question for the future tense with going to is easy in English. Let's start with a statement. John is gonna go home at 3 o'clock. To make a yes, no question, simply take the be verb and place it at the beginning of the sentence. Is John gonna go home at 3 o'clock? To answer this question, we could say, yes, he is. Or, no, he isn't. Here are some more examples. Remember to pause the video, if you need to. To make a WH question with the future tense, start with a yes, no question. Then, add a WH question word at the beginning of the sentence. For example, why is she gonna travel? Where is she gonna travel? How is she gonna travel? When is she gonna travel? You will have to change the grammar a little with who and what. For example, who is gonna travel? And what is she gonna do?
I am going to buy a car next week. I'm gonna buy a car next week. Are they going to leave soon? Are they gonna leave soon? What is she going to do after class? What is she gonna do after class?